Yo, before I jump into this amazing 1v1 basketball video, what you guys wanted to see because you haven't seen it in a long time because I've been quarantined. But first, before I jump into it, we got a little sponsor today. Yes, it's the Get Upside app. I'm about to pull it up so you guys can see. You dig what I'm saying? It's a good app. It's good for gas. So if you drive just like me, you love to drive and go get food, or you love to go do post things, you love to go exercise, do what you do best, it takes a discount off of anything that you get. Like if you got gas that's like $2, because gas is going up now due to everybody's going back out driving. If it's $2, it'll take like 18 cents off and put it on like the gas app. And as you see, I got some money up here, so I can either buy some gift cards or I could buy gas. Like they send me a check in the mail and I can do it like that. So yes, Get Upside app, shit works. Use my code at the bottom and you will get $10 off your next gas purchase. You feel me? So you could potentially walk away with $10 free gas. Who doesn't love free gas? Y'all know the be. Everybody's a victim when you fuck with confident. And let's make this thing happen. Y'all know how we doing this. Boom! Oh wait, before I outsource. Boom!
You already know what we're about to get into.
Is that the Canon G7X?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Ooh.
Oh my gosh. I love it, man.
At YT Kid Comedy.
Yes, sir. Boy, stop playing with me, man.
Okay.
They already know what it is. By the way, that's KID the greatest. Kid Prosper. I'm going to have his music in the description down below. So make sure y'all go check that out. And also, we swoop around, show where we at, Exactly. Where we at? Oh my gosh, we are back. We are back to making basketball vids. So with that being said, the first guy don't come today is right here.
You know what I'm saying? You remember that he had to jump in the bush.
This is why, that's the bush, by the way. You guys, we're back and I'm getting my revenge because I gotta get my face back. So I can't take no L like that to this guy without it going unnoticed. So I gotta get my face back. So we're about to jump into this video. So make sure you guys like the video, drop a like, comment, subscribe if you're new. Follow me on Instagram, Snap, Twitter. Description down below, make sure you happen. And whoever loses this game, there will be a punishment. Yes. When I say punishment, somebody will be drinking pickle juice. Yeah. Or if he lose, which he is gonna lose, he gonna be drinking pickle juice. But let's get into it, man. All right, Jay, let's do this. Ooh. All right, game to 12. Ready? Game to 12. I can't take it easy. Hey, no practice shot. Yeah, that was a bad shot. We're going to 12. Nope. My bad, man. My battery died, so I gotta use my phone now. So y'all know how this about to go. 0-0. Let's do this. Ooh. That's all. Ooh. My shot is dead right now. Nope. Oh. That's one. Let's get it. 1-0. That's all. Nope. Leave me open. 1-0. Foul. Oh, he got me. He missed. What? What? That was nice. He's up.
4-1. He's up. Nope. That's all. That defense, boy. That defense. 4-1, let's get it.
This was supposed to be a matchup.
Right.
Mitch match.
Ah, lost control.
Chad.
Tried it. Check up. No games. Time to go straight to the rack.
I'll force you there all day. 3. No, I apologize. I'm apologizing.
He tried out. That's 6. Boom! He thought it was done. He thought. 6-4. 12. Boom! That's 8. That's 8, Isaac. He playing with me. That's all. Come on, dribble man. Come on, dribble man. Stop playing me, boy. I'm dangerous. Take 2 and call me the one. Nah, you hold that 2.
You ain't gonna hit it.
Who on?
That's not your range.
That's money. He not ready for those. Watch him out. Watch your skills. Or grow them skills. Nope. Let's go.
Damn.
That's 9.
This nigga by his mid.
Damn. Fuck. I'm gonna try to dunk on him. I can catch that body.
Turn this into the morgue.
Drop
Catch
a
your
like
body.
if you think I could dunk on him.
You about to dunk on me.
Huh?
Bullshit.
What you talking about?
Bullshit. If I ever let you dunk on me, I'm never playing basketball again.
Hey, what you think? What you think about going?
He about to fail this dunk, and he about to lose.
Okay, okay. Nice confidence.
He better not miss. Don't miss.
What's that, 9-4?
Don't miss.
Money.
And I just take don't miss.
What was you gonna do? You gonna miss? Like that? Let's go.
Foul this nigga.
10.
10.
Cool. Cool. Stop pulling me, Dave. Back. Ah! I thought for sure. You're not ready. That's scared defense. That's scared defense, boy.
Yeah, defense. Tall. You gonna send my shit.
Game point.
Damn.
Call it. Foul, man. Foul. Come on.
Hell yeah. It's an easy way.
Yeah. That's all. Alright, 11-4. Pass that back to me, boy.
You think he gonna beat me? Do you think he gonna beat me? No. I'm dangerous.
He missed. 6-11. Show me something. Come on, Bird. Show me something, boy. Tell me what you got. What's up, my boy? Like a minute ago, dog. I think like 2 months ago. I made it? Yeah. Let's go! Let's go! With the fall too, man. I'm gonna have it. Y'all wait. Y'all just watch. He about to be drinking some Jimmy. Some pickle juice. Watch what I tell you. Y'all know the beat. Stay tuned to the channel. Make it happen.
Let me see it real quick. Let me see it. So y'all thought this was bullshit? No, this dude drank him some hamburger dill pickle chips. Ew, he gotta drink this bit, bro. But I know it's about to be tasting funny and I could just feel it. Here you go, my guy. You do the honors. Drink that whole jar, my guy. Yeah. You already drunk some? Bro, if you feel like you about to throw up or anything,
Bro, what the hell? That shit's sour.
you should know not to catch an L to me, my guy. Ooh, bruh. Ooh. Ooh.
Time to chug it.
Do what you gotta do. I know that shit nasty, bro. Ew. Well, now you know next time not to lose to me or catch an L because it's not gonna go the way you thinking. And just know, punishments like this is not it. There's gonna be way worse punishments than this.
Coming in.
Ugh.
Six-pack.
Oh my gosh. We like you got a C-section. Let me start this fucked up. Ugh. Halfway. All you gotta do is just drink to the bottom, bro. Your only punishment was just to drink it. I don't care what you do with the chips afterwards. Ew. This dude try to bite the whole top off. Drink the rest of it, boy. Ooh. Is it gone?
Nope.
Oh. Still got
Almost.
some more?
Almost gone.
Subscribe to YT_Confident on YouTube. Everybody's video my YABBA. Boom.
He gonna turn around. I already did.
I'm like, oh, I ain't mad at you, big guy. But you can smell it, dude. It smells like it's rotten. How much more you gotta drink?
This much.
Chug that junk real quick. Chug it. Chug it. Chug it. Chug it like you drink them sodas. Chug
Chill.
it. Ooh. Ooh. Ew. Got a little bit left. Drink the rest of that little bit and you good. Punishment complete. How do you feel after drinking that? What did it taste like?
Sour.
Ew. Well, just know everybody's a victim when you fuck with confident. Yeah, but don't forget, catch that L in the future because it's gonna be more videos like this. Boom!